Get up, get up, get up. Time to get up.
Alright, what time?
It's 6 o'clock. You gotta drop Josh to school.
Okay. Get up. You have to get up. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Get up. Get up. Excuse me, sir. Get up. Excuse me. Get up. Get up. And he's up. Let's move to the next thing. So, every morning from 5:20, 5:30, whatever time the alarm rings, we have to get up. This is just a weak morning. And then the first thing I gotta do is I gotta make my lime water. That's my lemon water this morning. I'm using lemon. So what you doing now?
I'm hanging my school clothes. Putting water in your iron.
Yep, so time to press. Alright, so let me know. I have to go get ready. Yeah, so every morning now, as soon as I drop my son to school, I have to exercise. Yeah, part of my regiment, health regiment. So, most of the morning I am in my exercise clothes. Yeah. So now I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna go and try to see what's going on with breakfast. If the wifey is up and if she's gonna make breakfast, that is. Workout outfit. I'm gonna put on my shoes now. Yep.
Every morning my dad spends 20 minutes in the bathroom and makes me late to school. I'm ready!
I'm coming! Good morning.
Visit jbch.com. Alexa, pause music.
From taking on the NCAA to amusement park accidents and environmental cases, we have the resources to take on the largest corporations.
Josh, I'm ready. Come on. I have to carry the garbage. Bye. Love you, love you.
Like that was just an unbelievable feeling, and
You ready now?
It's Jimmy, man. It's Jimmy. That's my boy. Like I loved you and I told you we was gonna get one.
Yep. No, I have to carry out the garbage every morning. I drop not every morning, every Monday.
Does it look crazy? Okay, now we're on the way to my school to drop me off.
What time it is?
It's 6:58.
No, that clock is right.
6:58 basically.
It's 5 minutes to 7.
6:55.
It's 5 minutes to 7.
I don't know what he's gonna do for the rest of the day.
You don't care.
Yeah. And then we're gonna stop at Chick-fil-A.
We're not stopping at no Chick-fil-A. Father, we ask you this morning to watch us and protect us, Lord God. As Joshua goes to school this morning, I pray that you will keep him from all harm, from incidents and accidents, and all the things that he saw. After I drop this boy, I know, I'm going to the park to do my 2.5 mile walk. I'm not going to the gym because my doctor says that I need to lose weight and not put on muscle and all these things. I'm walking 35 minutes to 45 minutes every day. Help you lose weight, walk, light, jog, and all these things. So I'm about to get rid of this one out of my car. You want a peanut?
Yes.
$20. $20.
Too late. I already have it.
So to take it to school in the mornings is 5 miles one way. 5 miles one way, 5 miles back home if I don't go anywhere else. And 5 miles to pick him up. Yep, so 20 miles every day. 20 miles every. What just fell?
My pig.
Ha ha! $30 for fine it. So we are drop Josh in the mornings. The security block off the plaza so that people can't drive through the area when I'm dropping him in the morning. So every morning we have to drive around to the back of the building and try to drop him as close as possible to the school, because we ain't about that traffic life in the school. So every morning this is what we do, drop him, because they totally cordon off it. All right, Josh, have a good day.
Bye.
Love you, son.
Someone's mine.
Yep, and there he goes. It's on to the park for me to do my hour before I get home. And when I get home, I have several different things to do, breakfast included. Yeah, fruits. Oh, I might have to stop at the store and grab some fruits and vegetables. Yep.
I'm chilling. School didn't start yet, so I can vlog. See how my hair looks. Alright guys, school's about to start.
I'm here. We just did I just did 2.5 miles on the track, and then I'm going now to the back of the complex to do some cardio. And this is a general morning routine. You know, I use the time that's about an hour or thereabouts between dropping Joshua to school to get my workout in. Yeah, run on the track over there, and then go on the back of the building, do cardio. You have to do it, man. My doctor says you got to do it. So if I wait until in the evenings, 90% of the time I don't go. You know, if it's in the evenings, because it's your body feel run down and feel tired in the evening, you know. But in the mornings I get to walk and I get to do my devotion and glorify God. Yes, man, trust me. There's just something about the morning that makes it worth it, you know. The quietness, the green, all of them something that therapeutic. Otherwise you want to be by the beach, yeah, that would be a good place to be, you know. But it's always good to get a little bit of nature in, and you'd be surprised to know how your day work out. I'm at Betty T. Ferguson, which you may have seen earlier. They're doing some expansion on the place, but we're using what we have for now. Yeah, exercise. Morning.
Morning.
So that's it, guys. That's my morning routine. After this, I usually try to get some fruits, try to get something to you know, put back some energy in my body, and then the rest of the day, you know, whether I'm editing videos or I'm researching a message, you know, or I have to go on the road to do business, whatever it is that I have to do, usually the rest of the day follows this routine. So from between the hours 30, about 5:20, 5:30 to roughly 8:30 or 9 o'clock, that's usually what I do. Sometimes the wife is with me, sometimes I'm alone, sometimes I book friends on the road, you know. So but it's rough. It's something that you have to get used to. Sometimes I change it up and go to different parks, you know. Once Joshua is out of the picture, I end up at the beach, or I go straight to the gym if it's raining. It's just a whole bunch of stuff. So yeah, we just keep it going and keep the activities on, because you know what, well, health is wealth. Yeah, health is wealth. So
Thank you for joining me and Joshua this morning. His routine is relatively just to get ready and to go to school during a weekday, and mine is to drop him at school, get ready, drop him at school, and then get myself exercised out, and then the rest of the day follows through. The wifey, she's along the journey, but she's not a morning person, so I didn't want to invade her privacy rather. So once again, guys, like, share, subscribe. Remember to click on it and say yes, me like Wagwan and everything. And yeah, I'll see you when I see you. Look out for more food blogs coming, more, you know, everything. So remember to subscribe. We need all the subscribers we can get. Once again, I'll do morning routine. Yardie Belly, morning routine. Josh the food lover, morning routine. Peace in the middle.